This is Mammoth Hot Springs, and it's formed in a very peculiar way. It is formed by something, I don't know. What do you think it is? Is it made of snow? It looks like snow. It could be snow, but it's really hot. Is it magic? It looks like magic. Or is it some kind of ash? Well, these springs are actually made of something that's very common in the earth and is commonly seen in areas with thermal activity such as this. It makes these beautiful shelf-like formations. It is a very fragile material, which is why they tell you to stay on the boardwalks when you go see these beautiful formations. They are very fragile. They can be destroyed easily. They're made of travertine, which is actually just a type of limestone. So when these shelves are formed, it is formed by hot water dissolves calcium, and the spring water comes out the top of out of the ground basically, and it spews out all over the place like water does, and it basically deposits calcium, and it forms these cool structures where the water dries up. That's why you see these weird billowing calcium structures. And this is a mud pot. So mud pots are basically hot mud, obviously. So this is kind of more of a watery mud pot, not a very thick one, but mud pots kind of look like Shrek's bathtub, or they're just like Shrek lives in them. So mud pots are formed where there's less water and more of a steamy effect, or it doesn't become a spring because it's more thick, and it's just thick, and it just gurgles. It doesn't become a nice pretty spring. It becomes a mud pot from the steam and the heat. Now hot springs are different because there's plenty of water. It's basically just this beautiful, they can be very beautiful bacterial mats all around them that just cause these beautiful colors, and this very bright blue formation is due to the extreme heat, where the heat kills anything living in them so that nothing can live in them, and they just get this beautiful blue color. Geysers are formed from hot springs where the water gets hot enough to build up pressure underground, and it can just shoot out the top like this, and this is Old Faithful. So that is just a very quick video on how Yellowstone thermal features work. I mean, they work the same everywhere in the world, so I hope it helped. You're welcome. Thank you for watching.